Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day, Scorpio, is the calm before the storm of blessings, the storm of manifestations. Your community, your crowd, your fan base awaits you, and it's coming like a whirlwind. It's going to come like a tsunami and whoosh, right into your life. You're going to be famous like overnight. Now, it's not been an overnight process. You've been working, you've been showing up every day, presenting your gifts, and it's time that you transition to what you deserve and what you're naturally talented in, and it shall serve for you for the rest of your life. I need you. The world needs you. You have a healing energy. No matter what your gift is world changing. I breathe and I live and I grow with the light within me. I do one thing with my gifts, one at a time, and focus on the present moment. And you always stay in the present. You always can just show up and stay in a positive energy and make sure that you are performing. You're not worrying about your past performance. You're not worrying about the future performance, because the past is gone. You're greater than you were yesterday. In the future, you already won. You're going to be bigger than you can even imagine. So enjoy the present moment by the work that you do and the love that you receive. I cast off all doubts. Because doubt, there's no reason to doubt, because you won. You're the superstar. All fear dissipates. Look fear in the eye, and it's a coward. It should turn around and run away. Therefore, you can hit the stage, do your thing, and continue to grow in your gift. And I find peace in my being, and you are successful. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself, and I love you too.